Facts about Earth that do not seem real. Antarctica is home to many earthly wonders, extremely harsh conditions, layers of history of the Earth stuck in its ice, and it is the only place to have a red waterfall. And scientists call it the Blood Falls. For over a century, scientists could not explain why this glacier was bleeding the color red, but the answer starts over a million years ago. Long ago, seawater got trapped inside of Taylor Glacier, which is where the Blood Falls is. And over time, Taylor Glacier got thicker and thicker and thicker with ice, and it completely trapped the seawater away from the outside world. Normally, if any type of seawater, even regular water, was trapped inside of this glacier, it would freeze because of the extreme temperatures. But scientists noticed that it didn't. After doing multitudes of different testing, they realized that this water was not only full with iron, but it was also filled with salt. And instead of like other waters that come from glaciers, the minute this water hits the air, the iron immediately oxidizes. This is not what it looks like inside of the glacier. It oxidizes and becomes its rich red blood color. The most interesting part about this water is not just that it bleeds the color red, but there are actual microbes that have survived inside of these glaciers, inside of this mixture of iron-rich water. These microbes were not getting its energy from sunlight or oxygen. They were getting their energy that was triggered by a chemical reaction between the sulfur and iron-rich chemicals inside the water. And that is the energy that they used to survive. Not only did these scientists discover that certain microbes on Earth do not need sunlight or oxygen to survive, they can use this data to propose what life would be like on, say, Europa or even Mars. This has to be one of the coolest, most metal, one-of-a-kind things that the Earth has had to offer.